Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will make these amazing earrings. It's easy and beautiful tutorial, so support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And let's start make these earrings. I have such metal base for jewelries. Take polymer clay and make flowers. By the way, I leave link in description where I bought all materials for earrings. I put liquid Fimo on the surface and place these flowers. Bake in oven. Collect all details of earring. Cover with glossy varnish. And I put some pearly pigment. That's easy and stylish earrings. Big thanks for watching. Also comment my video. I'm so pleased to read all your comments. Also share this video with friends and see you soon. Bye!